Hello students, Supriya ma'am here with English Literature of Class 4. Topic Mary Curie, Part 3. Students, take out page number 61 of your English Literature book. Today we will read from third paragraph. From here only we will read from here. Let's start. When Mary was born on November 7, 1867, her mother was the headmistress of one of the Warsaw's girls' schools, adjoining their home. Students, adjoining their home means next to their home. Mary, who was the youngest of 5 children, would often see her mother struggling with the work of running a big household as well as the school. Students, household here means work related to the house. Next slide. During these years, the house had many guests. One of those guests was Vladishaw's brother, who came to live with them when he was ill. He had tuberculosis, a disease that spreads mainly through the germ-infected air when somebody who already has the disease coughs and sneezes. Students, you already know what is coughing and sneezing, right? Next slide. Unfortunately, this disease afflicted Mary's mother. Students, afflicted means affected. Next line. The disease was then incurable managed by a series of rest and recuperation treatments in places where the climate was not so cold. Students, recuperation means recovery from illness. Am I clear to you? As a result, Mary's mother often had to be away from her at a sanatorium where only Mary's oldest sister Josiah could go with her. Students, sanatorium means a type of hospital for sick people who need rest and a lot of care. Next paragraph. When Mary was 9, her sister Josiah died of typhus. But the greatest tragedy of young Mary's life occurred when her mother died a few months before her 11th birthday. Students, occurred means happened or took place. Next paragraph. Afterwards, Mary and her sisters would often play a make-believe game about a genius doctor who finds a miracle cure for a serious illness. Students, miracle means an extraordinary event believed to be the work of God. Mary's Next slide. Mary's dream of using science and medicine to help humanity was rooted in her encounter with tragedy very early in life. Students, her encounter with tragedy very early in life, here it means Mary lost her mother at a very early stage of her life. So this incident was a tragedy of her life, isn't it? Next paragraph. The foundation of Mary's later learning was laid in her childhood by her father's diligent efforts to teach his children Greek, Latin, Russian, Polish, French, German and English by reading to them, besides sharing with them books on physics and chemistry. Students, diligent means someone who works very hard and is careful. Mary took so naturally to learning and reading that her parents tried to prevent her premature development by distracting her with outings and boisterous games. Students, premature means happening before the usual time. Boisterous means noisy, energetic and careful. So students, let it be up to here. It will be, let us stop over here for today. Next day we will continue. Okay. So now harder words of this part. Number 8, harder words. A, harder words. Number 1, headmistress. Number 2, adjoining. Number 3, tuberculosis. Number 4, sneeze. Number 5, unfortunately. Number 6, incurable. Number 7, recuperation. Number 7, recuperation. Number 8, sanatorium. Number 9, typhus. Number 10, tragedy. Number 11, miracle. Number 12, humanity. Number 13, encounter. Number 14, foundation. Number 15, diligent. Number 16, premature. Number 17, distracting. Number 8, boisterous. Number 19, Russian. Number 20, Latin. I repeat. A, harder words. Number 1, headmistress. Number 2, adjoining. Number 3, tuberculosis. Number 3, tuberculosis. Number 4, sneeze. Number 5, unfortunately. Number 6, incurable. Number 7, recuperation. Number 7, recuperation. Number 8, sanatorium. Number 9, typhus. Number 10, tragedy. Number 11, miracle. Number 12, humanity. Number 13, encounter. Number 14, foundation. Number 15, diligent. Number 16, premature. Number 17, distracting. Number 18, boisterous. Number 19, Russian. Number 20, Latin. Now, let us move to the word meaning. B. Word meaning. Number 1, afflicted. Afflicted means affected. Number 1, afflicted. Afflicted means affected. Once again, number 1, afflicted. Afflicted means affected. Number 2, recuperation. Recuperation means recovery from illness. I repeat, recuperation. Recuperation means recovery from illness. Number 2, recuperation. Recuperation means recovery from illness. Number 3, sanatorium. Sanatorium means a type of hospital for sick people who need rest and a lot of care. Number 3, sanatorium. Sanatorium means a type of hospital for sick people who need rest and a lot of care. Number 3, sanatorium. Sanatorium means a type of hospital for sick people who need rest and a lot of care. Number 4, diligent. Diligent means someone who works hard and is careful. I repeat. Number 4, diligent. Diligent means someone who works hard and is careful. Once again, number 4, diligent. Diligent means someone who works hard and is careful. Number 5, premature. Premature means happening before the usual time. Number 5. Premature. Premature means happening before the usual time. Number 5. Premature. Premature means happening before the usual time. Number 6. Boisterous. Boisterous means noisy, energetic and cheerful. I repeat. Number 6. Boisterous. Boisterous means noisy, energetic and cheerful. Once again. Number 6. Boisterous. Boisterous means noisy, energetic and cheerful. That's all for today. Bye students.